Good morning, Miss
Good
Brian.
morn Good morning po, Sir Kurt.
So this is our job interview.
Yes.
So first question, tell me about yourself.
Um, Hello po, good morning. I am Brian J. Peralta. I live at 11 Ilo Street, Barangay Potoc, Quezon City. I graduated from National University with a degree in Bachelor of Physical Education, where I consistently earned Dean's List recognition. My experiences in education have shaped me into a passionate educator who values creativity, fitness, and holistic development. I am enthusiastic about bringing my skills in lesson planning, communication, and leadership to inspire students and guide them towards achieving their goals. And promoting holistic student development is a key focus for me as a student leader and a future MAPE instructor. By creating a dynamic courses and utilizing effective communication techniques, I ensure that my student is engaged and motivated. My approach will help students to develop their skills, to gain their confidence, and to achieve their academic and personal goals. Thank you po.
That's all. So next question, why should we hire you?
I think you should hire me because I have a strong academic foundation, my practical teaching skills, and a passion for helping my students excel in math subjects. I have ability to engage and motivate students, along with my commitment to foster their physical and creative development. Makes me a valuable addition to, to your teaching staff. I prioritize creating supportive and engaging atmosphere for students. I tailor lessons to different learning styles. I encourage student participation and motivation. I emphasize clear communication and encouragement and will demonstrate a commitment and ability to motivate students. Thank you po.
So next question, how do you ensure effective communication, both verbal and nonverbal, in a classroom or team environment?
Okay. As a student leader back when back then and during my teaching practicum, I ensured students' comprehension and engagement by using clear verbal communication, break down directions, and summarizing key ideas. I reinforce my message through nonverbal cues like eye contact and open gestures, fostering a cooperative environment that will boost the students' participation and outcomes. Thank you, Paul.
That's all. Thank you, Miss Brian, for your cooperation to our job interview.
I'm genuinely thankful to you too for accepting my job, and I hope I will make the school proud also when I get accepted. Thank you po, and good morning po again.
Thank you.
Thank you po.